So we're going to take the shrimp, grab it firmly by the base of the top of the body, base of the head. Okay. It's going to snap and pull. Now some people like to suck the head. I'm not so much a head sucker. So we're going to leave that. We're just going to leave that. You can look back at me and watch me eat the rest of you. And then what you're left with is what typically looks like a traditional shrimp body. With the face. Eat it. No, I don't. Eat it. How do you do it? You take the face off. Alright, I'm going to stop recording.